Prayer. O Mary, sovereign Queen, and worthy Mother of my God, most holy Mary, finding myself so vile, so laden with sin, I dare not approach thee and call thee Mother. But I cannot let my miseries deprive me of the consolation and confidence I feel in calling thee Mother. I know that I deserve to be rejected by thee, but I pray thee to consider what thy Son Jesus has done and suffered for me, and then cast me from thee if thou canst. I am a poor sinner, who, more than others, have despised the divine Majesty, but the evil is already done. To thee I have recourse. Thou canst help me. O my Mother, help me. Do not say that thou canst not aid me, and dost obtain whatever thou desirest from thy God. If then that thou sayest that thou canst not help me, at least tell me to whom I must have recourse for succor in my deep distress. With Saint Anselm I will say to thee and to thy Son, have pity on me, O thou my Redeemer, and pardon me, thou my Mother, and recommend me to pardon, or teach me to whom I may have recourse, who is more compassionate than you, and in whom I may have more confidence. No, neither in heaven nor on earth can I find one who has more compassion for the miserable, or who can aid me more than you. Thou, O Jesus, art my Father, and thou, O Mary, art my Mother. You love those who are the most wretched, and you seek to save them. I am worthy of hell, and of all beings the most miserable. You need not to seek for me, neither do I ask you to seek me. I present myself to you with the sure hope that I shall not be abandoned by you. Behold me at your feet. My Jesus, pardon me. My Mary, help me.